They don't really have any like small towns or restaurants or bars or taverns or pubs or gas stations. Well, every once in a while, very rarely a gas station, but they don't have any like stopping places.
Yeah.
Turn right. It's wild that they have a Melfi and a Malfi.
Turn right here?
I guess so. It's the only right.
Wow.
Could this be right?
No.
In 200 meters, turn left. Oh, Lord.
This is one of those back routes. Turn left when I can. Deja vu.
Yeah, but there's nothing even resembling a guardrail over there. Ugh. Continue for 4 kilometers.
It's not too far. Back on the dirt roads again. Road trip less traveled.
Road trip less traveled.
We're at there's the castle.
Oh, really?
Look at what a great view this is.
That's pretty cool.
Melfi Castle.
300 meters, turn left.
Okay, well at least you know where we're going. I'll probably drive up to the back door.
Yeah.
Back door of the
nice
Melfi
highway,
Castle.
drive up to the parking lot.
Look at somebody took it across the field. At least we weren't given that route. Look at all these cars went across this field.
They're following ways. What the
shit.
hell? No freaking way.
This is.
Oh my god. They want us. We're on a freaking trail. Oh, honey.
I don't know.
I know. It's not. It's just crazy. It can't be right, honey.
It is right.
Wait, I don't like this. Oh, honey.
It's right.
Why do we have to go this way? Look at there's normal ways to get there.
Sure there is, but
Oh my god. This is not comfortable. Oh.
I agree.
Oh my god, I've just about had it with this.
Wow. This is an all-time.
Oh gosh. Julie is totally out of her comfort zone.
Well, but I mean, if we went off the edge, at least.
Oh, don't even say that. But this isn't even a road.
This is barely a road.
It's not a... I mean... What the hell, Google?
Fuck.
This is like a cow path. I keep waiting for it to end.
Wow.
Oh, Christ almighty.
Well.
Ugh. Jesus. What is this? I don't get it.
Well, other cars have gone this way.
Mostly cow cars.
Probably.
Oh my god. This is ridiculous.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
We need to take cow trails off the options in Google.
Wow.
Oh, Christ. I'm bottoming out. I'm sorry. I just have to, like, vent some of this stuff. In 200 meters, turn right.
Turn right?
Oh my god, we're gonna, like... There's, like, a regular road down there. Oh, sorry. Seriously.
Wow.
Sorry, but what the fuck, you know? I mean, I don't even understand how this could even have been on the list.
Turn turn right.
No way. We are not going.
There's more of a road down here, I think. I hope.
Oh my god. Oh yeah, this is more of a road down here. Oh man, you did a good job going through there though.
Thank you.
What the fudge? Oh my god, there's a big ditch over there.
Wow.
Oh god, we should take dirt roads off the choices.
It's not an option.
I mean,
Well, I don't think I have dirt roads on.
I can't believe this is a Google road.
Well,
I mean, it is though, but
it's pretty rough.
I.
Hope I can get across this fucking bridge. Wow.
Nightmare. Yeah, get off the road there, kitty.
Wow.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Oh.
Wow.
Kind of scrape the mirror though.
I have to go to the bathroom.
I bet. It's kind of a miracle if you didn't already go. Jesus, there's got to be a better way out of here.
Look at this pipe. This is definitely the scenic route. Wow. Wow. All I can say, I'm kind of speechless. That was,
Definitely don't want to go back out the way we came in.
wow, sure is interesting though.
And we could have wrecked our car on that road.
Wow, it's like,
We bottomed out a few
I
times.
know we did.
Sorry, I lost my cool there.
Oh.
My God.
I just wanted the road to get a little better.
Oh,
It was pretty bad.
Scary, honestly.
300 meters. Turn right at the
I love her voice. 300 meters.
Yeah, we're all
As if it's just like normal.
We're all
This is just
sitting
normal.
here.
Yeah, just up here, just a little further. You know, just gently bring your car around to the right on Stratocalabnassus.
Turn right at the Federico.
And we're just
I think we're
sitting
here.
Turn right on the Strada in Costruzione.
Oh, see, there's a regular road. We're going out that way.
This is much better view though.
Fuckers. Look at this road, which is what I knew was going to be here. A regular road.
Yeah.
This way we're going out, not that
Turn right on the Strada in Costruzione. Then slight right on the Via Clemente di Malta.
Yeah, you gotta admit this
Slight
is
right on
way
the
more
Via Clemente
interesting.
di Malta.